Forget the clunky androids of sci-fi. The real revolution in robotics is happening right now, with machines designed to handle the mundane tasks that clutter our lives. Meet TidyBot, a rolling robot with a gripper arm that can see, pick up, and categorize your clutter. Equipped with advanced AI, it knows exactly where each item belongs, whether it's a toy, a book, or a dirty dish. While TidyBot is still in development and quite pricey, it's a glimpse into a future where robots could handle our daily chores. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. But cleaning isn't the only domestic duty robots are tackling. Mobile Aloha, another Stanford project, is learning to cook. By observing human chefs, this robot can saute shrimp, stir-fry veggies, and even load the dishwasher. While it's still a work in progress, the potential for robotic kitchen assistants is exciting. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Beyond domestic tasks, researchers are developing robots to assist elderly and disabled individuals. By studying human movement and interaction, these robots could help with tasks like getting dressed, taking medication, and even providing companionship. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. The future of robotics is bright, and it's clear that these machines are poised to become indispensable companions in our homes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more exciting tech videos.